This project, it's the first time we brought this installation to the UK. It started off in South by Southwest, and has been a really close collaboration with Igloo Vision, who've helped to build this whole beautiful black box, which is what we took to South by Southwest. And in it, there's a 6-meter projection cylinder, which has been built and designed by Igloo. It's been a really beautiful, fantastic project to work on. We do a lot of work with a really wide, diverse range of audiences. And the beautiful thing about the cylinder that we're working with is that you don't have to wear a headset, and you can experience that if there are younger children who can't wear VR headsets, people with disabilities. For us, accessibility is such an important part of what we do. And I think the most powerful thing about what we're doing here with this project is it changes people's preconceptions of what orchestral music is. So if you're new to orchestral music, you probably think it's quite flat and it's quite boring. And the beautiful thing about this is you can just step inside the orchestra, you can sit in the heart of it, and it will change your preconception of what it is. Actually, it's a group of people working really hard, and it's a really emotional experience. We actually find that our really die-hard classical fans who may have never experienced VR or immersive technology before, they have some of the most moving emotional experiences because they know that music so well. And so we just had a man in tears in here just a half an hour ago. So I think it's a really great way of reaching a really diverse group of audiences.